So my name's Toby Upson. I was invited to take part in the Metabolic Museum-University by Clementine Deliss. I'm studying cultural policy and politics in London. At the moment I'm finding the Metabolic Museum-University really interesting. We've had talks from philosophers, from scientists, from anthropologists, from artists, and in my own mind these ideas are coming together now and forming and sort of mashing into something more cohesive and something that's building on my own research practices, and it's been very interesting to go back to London now and develop these ideas through my own means as exhibition designer, as a curator, and seeing where these develop and infect other areas of my work. Yeah.
It's more like an ether of research and various information just happening.
It's like a bombardment of information, but all of these disparate flashes and beginning to synthesize and become something really amazing. Yeah.